While the newbies keeps on crying that dropshipping is dead, these Shopify stores are actually making millions every single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you two dropshipping stores which are hitting $1 million every single month. But before starting, if you're absolutely new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Now, without any further ado, let me simply show you the stores and let's break down each and every step why they are making such big numbers. What is it that you should learn and adapt from these stores? Here you go. All right, guys, so this is the Facebook page of the store number one, which I'm going to show you. Now, these guys are actually selling in the Christianity niche. Look at this. So, this is one of their ad, and you can check out the number of likes, comments, and the complete engagement which they have got. So this is the product which actually worked pretty well for them. And now you will be amazed by the way they have actually tested different products and created a whole funnel around it. So look at this. So this was the product which worked for them. It says blessed. And the best part is this ring is actually adjustable. So anybody can actually order and wear this ring. And look at this. So it says blessed and it's having a cross on it. Now what they have done is, they have found different rings saying something like, faith, blessed, or maybe some quote on it. Now look at the way they have played with the colors. Like their ad actually looks very attractive because they have played with the colors in a very positive manner. They have used the combination of blue, white, and yellow. And look at this. Now even here, like their thumbnail looks so classy. It simply says this is beautiful. They have this arrow over here, and now look at this. Look at this, guys. So they have like split the screen, and they are using the user generated content. Look at this. Now, I want you to look at the ad copy. As you can see, this is their remarketing ad, and it says, "Hi, still interested." So, look how creative they have got, how smartly they are playing. And honestly, guys, people who message me a lot of times that, how many products do we need to create $1 million store? Honestly, it really does not require a lot of products. It simply requires one good funnel. And I'm going to come to that. Look at this, guys. So, look at their ads. This one says, "This is gorgeous. This gift is perfect right now." So they have played with the ad copy a little, like they have like played with different headlines over here, different thumbnails, and see. So this one says faith over here, and this one again was having a different message. And look at this. So now they were able to get the data and get the audience in the Christianity niche. They knew that if one of their product is working, second product is working good, then now they just have to use lookalike audience and sell similar products. So then they improvise over here. They started selling this necklace which says faith, and it's again a Christianity necklace. And the thing is, what they are doing is, they are using any of these product as the front end product, and then they are upselling the other products. By other products, I mean, like, if they are promoting the necklace on the front end, then they are selling the rings at the back end as the upsell and the downsell. And if they are selling the ring at the front end, then they are using the necklace at the back end. Now let me show you one of their sales page, and you will be amazed like how beautiful it is. So look at this. So it's a very clear sales page, and I think it's made on ClickFunnels, but you can also make a similar page on Zipify pages. So look at this, guys. So they are having a very clear image, simple, like very clear lines which say, like one size fits all, open ended, never rush. So they have actually mentioned all the points over here very clearly: risk free, 30 days returns, ships in 24 hours from Phoenix, Arizona. And so they have mentioned this thing very clearly that they are shipping this product from US. The shipping is absolutely free, and good large fonts over here which says that this is available for $37. And this is something which happens when you use platforms like ClickFunnels, because this is the time to level up, guys. This is the time to improvise, and this is the reason why I would say, like this store is literally killing it. Look at this. So about this ring, they have added a GIF over here. which again, is very creative. It's breaking the pattern. Then they are having good large buttons over here, customer service. Look at this, guys. And in the reviews, they have very smartly placed their other product over here. Look at it. I love my ring and necklace. So that people who are actually checking out their reviews will actually, it will get like they will actually get curious that okay, they also offer a necklace on their store, which is so cool. So look at this. And then again, they are having an order bump over here, and which is simply great. Look at this. Then again, they are having a review over here, 30 days money back guarantee. And this is the reason why their sales page is actually converting like anything, because they have made a super cool, super optimized sales page, and they have added frequently asked questions over here. Now, I have seen this thing that, very rarely people add FAQ on their stores, but it is so important, guys. So look at this. They have added FAQ over here. What is your return policy and everything? Again, they have placed the picture of their customers, and they have placed the picture of their warehouse. So they are not just selling a ring, they are actually selling a story, and story sells the best. Look at this. So they are having again, so there it is. The page is full with the call to actions, and some cool images, some cool information about the product. And now what they are doing is, if a person purchases one of their product, automatically the other products are there in the upsells. So their AOV increases, and they can afford to spend more on their ads. This is the reason why they are winning. This is the reason why they are able to scale this thing so easily, that it is reaching to so many people, and it is bringing them millions and millions of dollars. Now let me show you the second store, which again is doing very good. So these people are selling the dog nail trimmer. Now this isn't a very new product, but they have simply rebranded the product. And look at this, they have got some new ad creatives. They have, maybe got some new video ads done, and it is the same old product, but now they are selling it differently, and that's what you need to do. You don't simply have to reinvent the wheel every single time. You can simply take a product which has worked in the past. You can brand it and give it a new face, give it a new ad creative, and you can again keep on selling that product. Now let's check out their ads. Now look at this. Their ads also look so bright, so attractive, that they are definitely a scroll stopper. Look at their ads. So Cyber Week, Cyber Week. Now this clearly shows that they are selling a dog related product. And look at this. So they are showing the dog's nails and everything over here. So their ad is very clear. But what I love the most about this store was their product page. So look at this. So this is their sales page, and they have made such a they have played with the colors very beautifully. Order now over here. Then again, they have created a very detailed page where they are showing all the benefits of the product. Look at this. And then they have some what our fans have to say. So they are having some user generated content over here. The name is very good, Lucky Tail, and the reviews has been placed at the right place. So they have all the recommendations over here suitable for all dogs, which means that in the targeting, they are also using terms like Labrador, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever. So there are so many breeds of dogs, which means, their audience is super broad. They can actually scale this product to the moon. And this is something which I wanted to show you guys, that, you don't need to have hundreds and thousands of products on your store. You can simply make millions with just one product. You just have to play smartly. And when I went to their store, look at this. So they are also having an exit pop-up over here, which is again very creative. Now, let me show you what happens when I went to their store. So let's simply go to their store, that is luckytail.com. So look at this. This is their actual Shopify store, and they're not just selling one product. They're also selling the grinders of the same product. So look at this. So they have made the whole store around one product, and what they are selling over here, they're having multiple bundles. So what they will be doing is, they must be offering it in the upsells. So look at this, high quality grinding head for your Lucky Tail for 14.95. Now obviously, if you have purchased their product, then you will be needing this grinder, right? So they have played this thing so smartly that they are offering this thing as an upsell over here. And this is a no-brainer offer. Like, people will definitely be buying it as an upsell, which is why they have just taken one product and played so smartly. So they have mentioned all the details over here. Again, the order now button. Now look at this. I think this page has been made on Zipify pages, and look at the way that, like, they have added super value offers over here. And again, like, they have added FAQs over here. The shipping time has been mentioned very clearly, which is very, very cool. And where is Lucky Tail created? How long do grinders head last? So everything is already mentioned over here, and even things about the returns and everything. And over here they have used, like, design made in USA. So again, like, although everybody knows that they have got this thing created in China, but what they have done is, just to catch the USA term, or just to show that this is something which was related or made in USA. They have used this term saying design made in USA, so that because nobody really reads these small details. People simply see the big terms, that is like USA. So people might think that this has been created in USA, or maybe this has been made in USA. So this is something which I wanted to show you guys, and I really believe that you were able to find some value in this video. Make sure to hit the like button right away if you haven't clicked it yet. And guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also check out Ecomics University. It's a complete dropshipping training which I have created for you guys, so you can simply check it out by following the link in the description. My name is Moonis Ali, and this is me signing off.